Yeah, yeah. She was trading gold for a decade or so, and it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone, but they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get goals. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console, but I'm holding on to hope. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, the gold queen, I said the gold queen. Yeah, I felt for the first time I heard the phone ring. The day she said she met a man who tried to sell her a dream. And she said, no thanks, I got enough already, but you get in my team. She's traveled the world and made a living off of any place with Wi-Fi and electricity. She's still getting money if it's connected to the city. And still no man in her life that can keep her in life. And it's worthy of a legend in the making. A woman who can live a whole life off of trading. They called her Jane, she was born in the 80s. But there's no way I could put my heart on the line. A woman with the confidence to look in my eyes and tell me she could change my life if I give her my time. And there's no man on this planet who would try and let it slip out of his fingers in the night. And I'm proud of a woman with a brilliant mind. And I was lucky enough to call her mine for one night. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. I mean, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm down to do the right thing. Gold queen.
Yeah, we call it the wick and flip. Might see a move come your way, then dip. Oh, wick and flip. A move come your way, then dip. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick. So we bank on the move. Catch the flip, then it goes up quick.
Bank on the She said take a left on Rodeo, only with the bros see the rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. She said take a left on Rodeo, with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout,
where the killers and the traitors.
She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah.
The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. The OGs know that. The OGs know that. Coach and Izzy, they know where the P2P's go. The OGs go there.
I just found my people, I just found my people, yeah.
The Underground Railroad,
Underground Railroad,
yeah, yeah. Oh, I say hallelujah. Pull up to the function with the gang, riding in a Maybach with the case, cashing all these Porsches, what the play, roll up on the block, we getting paid. We just got off a flight from LA. Welcome to the underground, hey. This a sacred place.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I might hit a lick, I might trade a brick, with the G's and the B's, and we cashing out on trees, cause I came with spicy G's, and we bout to run it up, cause you know it's us. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that. Coach and Izzy, they know where the P2P's go. OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that. Coach and Izzy, they know where the PTP's go.
Let's get in this, let's get in this, let's get in this, let's get in this, let's get in this. I can be your number one, we know it's overdone, but I could give you something that could give you hope. No, no, you want a smart girl with her own job, she can talk shop, says he's gonna start a revolution, I don't doubt it, but sometimes I think his vision's a little illusion. No, he sees life through a different lens, he says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. Says he wants a real one with no filters, and he's found her, but you better buckle up, cause he's going in. Wants to see the universe, wants to see it first on a private plane, doesn't wanna ride commercial. He's so unique and he's so right, but he's so not right for me, and I don't wanna be that guy. Says he's gonna start a revolution, and I don't doubt it, but sometimes I think his vision's an illusion. No, he sees life through a different lens, he says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. Says he wants a real one with no filters, and he's found her, but you better buckle up, cause he's going in. He said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good
Yeah. 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 She was trading gold for a decade or so, and it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone, but they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get goals. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console, but I'm holding on to hope. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, the gold queen, I said the gold queen. Yeah, I felt for the first time I heard the phone ring. The day she said she met a man who tried to sell her a dream. And she said, no thanks, I got enough already, but you get in my team. She's traveled the world and made a living off of any place with Wi-Fi and electricity. She's still getting money if it's connected to the city. And still no man in her life that can keep her in life. And it's worthy of a legend in the making. A woman who can live a whole life off of trading. They called her Jane.
Educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Welcome, everybody, to the Power Hour Special, featuring myself, Logan, the CSO, and Javi, the Maestro. It's March 6th, 2:45 p.m. Friday, last day of the week, last hour of the week. Mr. Javi, how you doing today, brother?
Pretty good, bro. Today was a nice Friday. Can't complain. How about you guys? How about you, brother?
I messed up this morning. Not bad.
What?
Nothing crazy.
Yeah.
So my strategy, I literally go over. So I do a pre-market now. I have a pre-market now with my students. I go over the pre-market. Say, this is the situation. This is how we're going to do our special strategy. Blah blah blah. And if it doesn't meet this criteria, no trade. And there was no criteria. There was no trade. But I still decided to take a trade. So I kind of broke my rules. Now, I had good risk management. So I did take a loss, but it was a very, very small loss. But I shouldn't have taken the trade at all. So I'm not really upset about the loss. I'm more upset with myself that I took the trade because it does mess with my statistics on my strategy that I've been trying to get. Because right now it says I have a 75% win rate. That's not correct. It should still be 85% win rate. There was no trade today. So I'm a little upset with myself, but I'm still up $80,000 on the week. You know what I mean? The consistency rule. So actually, technically speaking, and I wasn't going to tell this to Max or anybody, half of my accounts for because there's like a slight deviation when you group trade. Half of my accounts are eligible for a payout. So I could theoretically withdraw $27,000, but I'm not going to. I want to group them all together, and I'm going to still do what I do so I can get a maximum withdrawal on Monday for $55,000. And that's my plan. So for me,
damn, bro,
not a terrible day, not a great day, just like whatever. You know what I mean? That's how I'm feeling. And no real trade since then.
All right, here's 780. This 5 minute has to close underneath here if it's going to go. There's still 2 minutes left. So this could drop some more and quickly pop itself back up. So I'm watching right now. The Dom is going nuts right there at 80. But this is going to get stuck between 80 and 90.
Sounds like you're complicating your trading. Not really, Kathy.
No.
I have crossed over $500,000 in a year and a half of trading in profits and payouts. So I don't think my trading is that complicated. I actually think I have one of the easiest trading strategies in the world. But thank you for your opinion as always, Kathy.
Yeah, Kathy. We'll call our manager and our HR agent next, okay? Just for you. We'll write that angry letter for you. Oh, nice bounce off of 780 again. Look at that quick pull up. It's the same repetitive patterns. I just scalped another. Dude, I'm up like, I don't know. I mean, I'm just trading a few micros at a time. Oh my God, this thing is going. I'm up $400 already. Already. This is what's fun about this kind of style is that I already collected 40 points off the initial pump, another 15 earlier, another 15 right now. I sound low again. Do I sound low? Oh my God, this thing is ripping. That was the initial. Close below here, and then potentially, if it can close below that freaking 90, then we may have a retest a little bit, but this might be ready for some push down. If it can close below 90, and I want to see a good close below 90. I don't want to see 88 or 89. Look at that push right back over.
Hey, Logan, you have 2 1-minute charts. Good catch. Good catch.
And this is still like barely closing above it. I'll be careful here, y'all. It could push up a little bit, but it could easily just retest at 80. So I'll be careful here. I'm going to watch a little bit. No. I mean, there it goes. It just pushed up another little 10-pointer, but that's it. It's just kind of stuck in this little area.
Javier Logan for Lucid's 50K account says 500 profit goal for that payout buffer. I'm on a funded account. Chilling with the Gonzos. You know who would be a great, you know where you would get your answers there? Chilling with Gonzos? Probably at the prop firm.
Yeah.
They have a whole support staff, a tickets, and a fact section.
Too big.
So instead of asking other random people, it's probably we get a lot of good information on the where the actual prop firm comes from. I could be wrong though.
Nope. Yeah, the blue got evaporated. So I was gonna say if that blue was formed and stayed, that would have been nice. Look at that. Look at that meltdown. This is why I said be careful here. But 780 still needs to break for it to really start going. And it just bounced off of it. Dom is going crazy again, just between that 780 and 790 area, almost 800 now. To 790 again.
Yeah.
If this
Gotta have days that you're locked in, Rich. Is a Pivot Hunter available on wealth charts? I think so. Maybe not.
Dom's going crazy down here again, and it is that 1 minute did close below. It did close below. If it cannot break back over 80, it's already dropping. Let's see what it does at 80.
58. Next area of resistance is 44.
No, it's pushing itself.
24 points of room.
Okay, so 80 and 90. Right now, I would like to see it retest 90 and then see what it does there. But if this breaks back over 90, there's a good chance we're going to come back up. This 5-minute candle still has 2 minutes to close. Still has 2 minutes to close. So that's the candle that needs to close below 790. Look at that push right back up. Oh my God. I love it. I love this. I love this. Oh God, I love this. I love this. Oh, what a beautiful. I'm up almost 550 already. Oh, well, it was for 550 for a second there. Already trailing. You have to be unafraid. That 5-minute needs to close below 90. That 1 minute pulled down below, just slightly closed under 80, barely. 79. That's a tip break for me. That does not count. That 5 minute is what I'm waiting for. So now 780, that 774 area has some strength. Let me move this down here. This is gone. Let's see what this 5 minute candle does here. About a minute left. Be careful, be careful. This last minute could give a lot of effery. Oh yeah, it's fighting that night. The Dom is going nuts. The Dom is going nuts right now at that 790, 88 area. Oh yeah, there's a speed up right here. There's a big time speed up right here. All right, looks like it's trapped right now. That 5 minute didn't close below 90. It did not close below 90. There goes the push. Back up again. This is too easy, y'all. This is the chop right here. I love to play this kind of chop. I'm up almost 600 so far. I'm up now 600. Now I'm up 600. My last runner is running. Just have to be confident. I have to be confident. It doesn't close below. Good chance it's going to pop itself back up. Look at that. I'm up 600 already. Just trading 3-4 micros at a time. This is what I was doing yesterday when I was with my wife at Alta. I made $400 in 30 minutes trading 3 micros.
That's pretty cool. I actually haven't even seen Pivot Hunter. I'm going to be honest with you. I haven't even seen the Pivot Hunter Pro on Wealth Charts yet, but that's pretty cool that it gets a little notification.
I haven't been able to load up any of ours. For some reason, mine, I don't have the option, dude. Like it shows me more indicators and it doesn't show me anything else.
I'm about to go long to your hobby.
I tried to go in. Oh yeah, it's looking beautiful for continuation. Absolutely.
I'm just gonna need to print through of this level here.
818, 820 would be that next area.
815. I'm looking for at least a 30-point trade. Let's see. Maybe we'll play it safe. We'll go for like 20, 25 points. But I need to rip through.
So put up a 3Z. Could retest 790. Could come back down to retest at 790. Let's see if it, nice pull up over 800 right there. Let's see if we get some continuation going. Do you press buy, sell once X micros? Yes, I do market buy and market sell. I do market buy and market sell. So if I like it, closes above, I hit buy 2-3 times.
The Wealth MOT1 and etc. codes for a free week of the indicators off the website is still working, by the way.
All right, that was a clean tap of 800 right there. Clean tap of 800, but I still think this wants to push. I would like to see 790 get retested, but it might not. It might just go. Yeah.
Wait. All right. Getting ready for a potential buy. Just need more of a print through here. A little bit more of a print through here, and we're going to go in. More? Not yet. Not yet.
Being such
Not
a
yet.
degen
Bounce
right
right
now.
off of it.
I did a couple on that pullback. I still had that one runner. Almost 700.
Wait.
Our YouTube gang, if you guys are not in the Discord yet, I called a 40 point. It was actually like 50 point. It was like almost 60 points. From 790, it pushed all the way up to 840. Literally right before power hour started. I've been done.
Got my finger on the trigger. Safety is off. We were ready to pull. Just aligning our sights. Target is moving forward.
Yeah, it needs to break that
to move
18, 820
right. Do I want to take this now?
Dom's going nuts. It is going nuts. That speed up
No.
right now, it kicked up a notch. This 16 has to break here. If this is going to go. I have one contract still running. There goes. Come on.
Okay, I'm going in. I'm going in.
Hold. Keep going. That 16 needs to hold here. And I want to see 820 break next. There it goes. Come on. Break through. Come on. It's showing a little hesitation there. Showing a little bit of hesitation there. Let's see if this thing could just hold 16 and continue to rip up, or no, we're going to re-enter the previous range. It's a pretty deep wick off of the 820. Let's see if we can get back up there. Not my runner is at break even, which the current break even price for me is 803 and a quarter. I just want to see if this thing can rip. There's 816 again. Struggling right now. She can't get back over 816. Come on, get up there. We might still be ranging here. She's fighting it. There you go. Now break 820.
Good. Huge.
No, above 700.
Wow. So I thought I went in with 6 micros. I went in with 6 minis. So I'm done for the day. I'm just gonna let it run.
Yeah, you're done for the day, bro. You're done. There you go. Again, another monster trade.
Here we go.
We're already up more than
across
100.
3 accounts, 2, 4, $6,000. Contracts are rolling. All contracts are trailing. Ripped through the Pivot Hunter setup, so you could theoretically enter now. So it's still potentially a good trade to scale in. Next resistance area is this 54 area. So you just hold it up, and you're going to be good.
Let's go. Still going. Already called more than 100 points.
Ripping.
More than 100 points.
I'm up
in 20 minutes.
On that. Yep. Just hold it. Hold it. Like I said, let's see how we test this 54 area. If I pop through this 54 area, I'm scaling in. I don't even care. I'm up $9,000. Holding it. Testing the 54 area now.
I got trailed out. I saw spot.
Perfectly. See how we bounced right off of it?
Ooh,
perfect rejection off that 54. I'm out.
Right,
Out of the trade, $7,500. All right, guys. Everybody have a good weekend. Javi called out 60 points at the start. I just called out another. So everybody have a great weekend. See you guys on Monday.
I called out the same play twice. 790 at the beginning in the Discord. 790 right now. Broke 790. Called it again. 120 points in 20 minutes. Let's go. Logan with the continuation play as well. So easy, guys. Let's go. I love days like today. We've been on a heater this whole week. Fucking amazing. Woo!
Sounds like you're right. That's because you stuck to breakout and continuation strategy. Now you're changing to have 100% consistency. Keep dreaming.
Wait, what?
Kathy.
Who's talking trash? Kathy. Come on, Kathy.
Yeah.
Do you
Kathy, how many
know
payouts have you had,
what
Kathy?
trading is? Does
Kathy,
Kathy
how many
understand
payouts?
what trading actually is?
Kathy, how many payouts have you had?
Hold on.
I had more than Javier. That's not what I asked. How many payouts have you had?
Wait, I had more than Javier than me? You've had more payouts than me?
I also don't think that's true because Javi doesn't
Wait,
show or tell people
what?
about his payouts.
Yeah, I don't flaunt my payouts. I show a fraction.
Kathy, give me a number, and then you and I can go receipt
I
for
don't want to get
receipt.
targeted.
I mean, he always seems to chime in. Kathy, why are you avoiding the answer? You seem to be an expert in trading. You come here and you watch us. You critique all of our strategies, and that's fine. You have the capability, and you're allowed to critique and have the freedom of speech and give your opinion. But if you're going to do so, then I also have the right to ask you for evidence to support your claims. So,
I mean,
Kathy,
should I pull up? Let me
how
see if I
much
can pull it
have
up.
you withdrawn?
Let me see if I can pull
Because
it up. Just what I made last year. That one reel that I had from the event. The little bit of flaunting I did at the event. If I can pull this thing
How
up.
about you guys show your receipts? I show my receipts all the time.
We show
I
it
showed
all the time.
I showed $50,000 in withdrawals last month. I'm currently about to take a $55,000 withdrawal again. So I'm up $110,000, and that doesn't include other props in 2 months. I have over $100,000 in proven receipts. I can show you my receipts, my bank account. I can show you the prop firm. I can show you the withdrawal. I can show you my bank statement. I post my stuff all over my social media. I don't fake a single thing. I also show losses, like today. I also show when I blew $230,000 in profits.
Okay,
I've
here you
also
go,
shown
YouTube.
when I've
Look.
blown $50,000 twice. He's
That's
defensive. He's
just
lying.
a fraction. Okay, YouTube will see it soon, I think, because I'm sharing my whole screen. Right, this was a part of what I shared at the event. I am not a person that likes to show off his payouts and stuff.
My
Is this
mom
thing
says,
going on?
don't show
I don't
your
know if you'll see
receipts
it
to
or not.
strangers unless they are your teachers or mentors.
That's true. We don't need to.
Okay.
Oh wait, hold on. Hey, whoever's controlling the YouTube thing, can you show my my chart for a second? I have it on there, so YouTube can see it. Right? If they want receipts and shit, at least for that, at least the little fraction that I posted in the event, the little fraction that I shared here for the Discord too. Okay.
On PHP, there's a 10-point divergence between wealth charts and TradingView. Okay, interesting.
Okay.
Gene, post that in the PHP chat for me, brother.
Just a fraction. Remember, just a fraction. I don't flaunt. I don't show off. Doesn't mean it doesn't happen. Okay. I believe in aliens. I haven't seen one yet. But I believe they're real too.
That's reasonable.
One day they're gonna come.
I agree with you on that.
All right. Just a fraction. So Kathy, go call our manager.
And not on YouTube, you can't see it on YouTube, but on Discord, we post our entries and we post everything. I personally don't like to show my trade management because it is a large portion of my risk management that my students know, including my ATM settings, which is a very, very large part of the success that I have. You don't need to believe me. I don't really care. But my students know, and I post it in the Discord, my entries, and I post afterwards. Nah, these are fake numbers.
Yeah.
Whatever you say, dude. Fortunately for you guys, everything here is for entertainment purposes only. So
it's funny. Care. It's funny, bro. We can be as truthful as possible, as transparent as possible. They'll still believe the most scammiest scumbags out there than the actual people that are more transparent than anyone else out there. They'd rather go to the crypto bros and go trade with them. Like, yeah, this guy knows everything. He's legit because he trades schemy, meme crypto coins, and then we can show everything. And they'll be like,
here's
no,
what I'm going to do, Abby. Here's what I'm going to do, because I want you guys to troll me. I'm going to give everybody here and I'm doing this, and I've already posted this on social media, and I've told my students about this, and I want every single person here to point at me and call me out as much as you want. This year will break a record on prop withdrawals, and it'll be everywhere. And I'm saying it now for all of you to see. So for every person here who thinks I'm a liar or I'm a fake trader or I'm full of bullshit, the props will post it. The receipts will be shown. I'm going to do it. And you guys don't need to believe me. And you could think I'm a shitty trader or you could talk shit, but I'm saying it right now and I'm speaking it into existence because I'm that confident in myself. Year 2 of Logan Trading will be able to prove this. Crazy how you can say anything online. You make money for
I love
the
YouTube
prop.
haters. YouTube haters.
I don't make money.
Like
I
they
make
come
money
out
for the prop
full
firms.
force.
How do I make money from the prop firms? How do I make money from the prop firms?
Literally, we say use code BDM. Like we don't say use code LogiPoo or
Apex
Hobby.
is up on me right now. Apex is up on me.
Like,
Apex is green on. I've paid Apex more. Apex has never paid me anything.
yeah, same for me. I haven't got a
make
payout
any
from
money.
Apex yet. They've got. The Apex is the only prop firm I'm red in, and it's only red like $800 though. Not much. Their accounts are
Was my yapping? I
pretty
think my
affordable.
yapping I out on a trade. I mean, I'm done pretty
Let's
much.
go,
Anyway,
Ninja Wood. No, it's fun. I YouTube haters are so fun to read. Oh, I don't gamble with these losers. I'm just bored. We called insanely monster I call it 260 plus point trade, 150, 160. Logan called that beautiful long as well. Right? We gamble. We the best gamblers in the freaking world. The best
prop firms pay you to
gamblers in
promote
the
them.
world.
No prop firm is paying us to promote them. I don't know what you're talking about.
I love this. I love it. You know what's funny, man? Like I think I don't know if I talked to you guys about this at all, but it's like it's so funny to me how when I came up and I was asking about like Tradeify. Oh my god, the short is shorter. Wow.
I had a full
Happy
blown
Friday,
PHP
staff.
trade, and the chat
Tip
got
the
me.
staff.
Chat
Buy
got
the
me.
courses.
Yeah, I missed it
Lease
too.
the indicators.
My shit triggered up at 822.
All right, well, I'll re-enter 239.
Anyway, what was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. Damn it, Kathy. Damn it, Kathy. You're about to become Punch the Monkey, and we're gonna be those bastard monkeys that hated Punch the Monkey. Right? Eventually, you will be loved. You will find your place.
Enter here. I'm
It
entering.
may not be here.
And
Okay?
I'm entering.
Trust me, that poor monkey. I want to burn all those monkeys that bullied Punch the Monkey. I want to throw them into a pit of fire. That's evil, isn't it? That's pretty evil. 729. This is an area for me to potentially, if it does not, well, I mean, already bounced hard off of it. God, man, the Dom just. Yeah, that's too late. That's too late. 729 breaks. I'll definitely enter to potentially continuation.
I just missed it on that entire move, but it's all right. It's all right. I'm in the short now, so let's see what else we can catch off of the momentum.
Thank you, Kenneth Duche. Thank you for the $5. Appreciate that. That goes straight to the mods, the staff. Straight to the staff.
500 on that short. Good job, tight work. Good job.
Oh, Kathy left. Kathy left the building.
It's all right. I did miss the initial. Technically speaking, this would have been my scale in right here. I didn't get to, obviously I didn't scale in. I just jumped into it. So this is looking good. I think we have room all the way down to 6.4. So we got about 70 points of wiggle room now downwards. 70 points down, which is going to be really nice.
729 breaks. We got, oh my God, I got so much room under 729. Like so much room. Oh yeah, she's getting violent.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
Needs to break it.
New lower low. Keep going. Break, 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 break. I'm going to trim at 18, about 20 points, 25 points, and then I'm going to just have all content move to break even, and then we're going to trail.
See what it does here. Okay, right now it's holding on to 29 like a for dear life is holding on to this 29 area. I was going nuts. Yep. Yep.
Stop loss is right
I
above
mean, I'll
this
take that for
wick
now until
here.
29 breaks, then I'll re-enter it. But right now, I definitely had to scalp that. I had to scalp that. Oh my God, this is taking off. I had to take that. Oh my God, 20 points off the bat again, right there off of 729. Holy shit, holy shit. We going. 25 points. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Like, I had that level did not close below. I had to take it. I had to freaking take it. There you go. Another 25-point banger. Best gamblers in the world. Did I post a screenshot twice? It's two different portions of it. Yep. Ah, trailed out right there. Very nice. Very nice. Almost $926 on Power Hour. Yeah.
I am red. I'm holding it. I am red, but I'm going to hold it for a little bit. Let's see what happens here.
I played the bounce off 29. You know, you guys get to see a little bit of everything right now, right? I see my setup. I take it. Boom. All right. Let's see what we got here now. This could easily
on.
come back down. That's a
Come
rejection of
on.
toss box right now. It's
Come on.
inside of
There
orb
we
on
go.
SPX.
Want to get down to 18, trim, and then we'll just trail from there. On the 5, we have continuation if we pop through 704.
Potential 3Z here incoming. If this breaks through that 29.50, that 29 has to be broken. The 2 minute has 20 seconds left.
Looking good. Looking good.
Immediately retesting it.
Looking good. Holding the short.
10 seconds left. Is it going to hold? Or am I going to play it again?
Trey says, so say I'm following these idiots. How am I supposed to see their stop loss? You don't need to. Everything we're doing here is entertainment purposes only. Trey, you can fuck off and leave the YouTube if you want. You could go and bitch somewhere else like the fucking little girl that you are. Jeez, dude, just keeps fucking whining.
Man, look at that. Another 20-point long off of 29. I had to take it. Like, unless it closed below 29, that's where, guess what? My stop loss would have been if it broke under 29. Oh, simple. Look at that. Oh my God, this thing took off. It took off. Oh, I'm up 1100 on Power Hour. Wow. 3 micros, 4 micros at a time. I think this one I took 4 or 5. I don't remember. Ah. Okay. I set my stops. Usually I set my stops underneath a level, a wick, right? 10 points, 15 points. That bounced. 30 points. One runner running. I'm up almost 1100. Almost like what I did yesterday while shopping with my wife. Okay. 40 points, 40 points, another 40 points, guys, gals. Almost 200 points called out. Okay. Okay. I don't know what to tell you guys at this point. Breaks under 50, it'll take my runner out. That was a hard rejection off of Lama's level there at 774. Yeah, I might leave it at 55. Let's see if it takes me out at 55. I don't want to give too much of that back. Hey, Javi, why can't I see 729 level? Are you talking about on the quantum indicator? 729. Talking about 730. That's a 2-minute level. That's a 2-minute level. If you're using quantum and you're in, it's right here. You see the little dotted lines, right? If you go to the 2-minute chart, it's right there, 729.50, right here. Go to the settings to adjust it. I have my settings posted in the quantum chat. Rejected top of sauce box. 5 minutes still looking very bearish. But that's the fun part. I don't come in with bias. I trade what I see and I take it, period.
Oh, why'd you guys ban these guys? I want to see it. Logan, well, you can't even spell my name right, is a horrible trader, LOL. Again, show me your payouts. They're just radiating you on purpose.
They might be.
And then, but if you're going to rage bait someone, then it's like, okay, now show your proof to justify it.
All right, let's see what it's gonna do now. Rejected off sauce box. If this is potentially a lower high, we're gonna see the dump coming in. Let's see if 729 finally breaks here. This 2-minute candle is a brand new candle though, so I don't know. Oh man.
Logan belongs on top. We've got a good. We've got a solid group. We've got a solid group of people on YouTube today. It's pretty funny.
Stone, you do have to trade the last 2 days. If you hit 3K, you just have to go in and out of a trade. You have to be like, if you're over 3K, just get in and out of a trade. It doesn't matter if it's a second or not. Dude, this morning, oh my God, dude. I've literally called out 500 points today with the morning show and now here right now with 200. Today's been one of those amazing Fridays. Oh, oh shit, there's the meltdown. There's the meltdown.
Now you're a great trader, great short. Right. I didn't say short for a while, but okay.
Next area all the way down at 220. Oh man, if this holds under this 711, this is one of Lama's areas.
It's almost
Next
like I
area
said,
will be all the way down at 660.
Logan's a terrible trader. You guys crack me up.
2 minutes till this candle closes, all the way back up. And then we're under 29. Let's see if it retests it or if we just get a dumpathon going here.
Anybody else having issues with their well charts? Nah. Didn't even call the short. True. Yeah.
29 broke. Oh yeah, there we go. It's a little pullback.
So explain why the hell we didn't dump yet. We have a war. We have a brutal labor. I don't really pay attention to all that stuff.
Because the market does what it wants to do. It doesn't care about all that crap. Last time I remember Tesla earnings that Tesla did great or did bad and the market still, or Tesla still pumped or some crap. I forgot what it was. I thought war was going to be somewhat bullish because they pump money into the government. There's a short's going, and I caught that baby.
You guys gonna make decent calls? No, I'm just holding the short that I've been talking about.
I've been scalping the shit out of it, right? I caught 2 bounces off of 29, and now I just caught the short off a break of 29. Right? Either way.
I want more people to talk shit on the YouTube. Now I'm finding it. Like what? That's all you guys have.
There
Like,
goes.
talk as much shit as possible on YouTube. Had a great
Had a
week
great
trading with
week
all
trading
of you.
with you all. This is for the awesome mods
All
right,
tune
well,
to
thank you, Tom.
00.
Let's see if this keeps pushing. Next sauce box is 660. Almost kind of want to let a micro potentially run down there.
What's your info? I'll send you proof I have more payouts. Join our Discord. Join the Discord. Post it. It's a free Discord. Go into the community chat, and I'd like to see your payouts. I just also don't think somebody who has
no AI.
I just don't think somebody who has a lot of payouts also actively goes onto other
Like-
people's YouTube. I feel like if
Yeah,
you make a
that's
ton of money
exactly what I
and
was gonna
do
say.
well in trading, like you're not gonna go onto another YouTube or Discord and try and show that you make more than them. Like
Yeah, I was just gonna
I've
say
been
the
trading.
exact same thing.
I've been trading for a year and a half, and I've done very well. And I'm not gonna go into another channel and try and prove myself to them. That's just crazy.
Hey,
So if we
Daniel
get- send me your
Bucara, thank you
text.
for that 25, brother. Hey, W's in the chats for Daniel, for Tunda00. Had a great trading with you all. I think Max. I mean Max. Oh my God! All right, you're now Max Logan.
I'm Max.
Logan read that one already. You're now Max. I called you Max.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I was just gonna say. Your exact point is I don't flaunt my payouts. Like I have such a good amount. I don't flaunt them. My wife says you should show it off here and there. Oh my God, this thing is gonna run 660. I think sauce box.
Oh, we're just ripping. Like I said, this was gonna happen. Crazy.
Oh yeah, baby.
Crazy. Top Step Logan. I like that. I've never actually traded Top Step before. I've never traded a Top Step account before, but I have heard a lot of jokes about their TV, which is pretty funny. Yeah,
Last
just
whole week
blew
was so
full set
bad.
of Lucid Funded today at
Should've been
open.
trading
Last
opens.
whole week was so bad. It's all right, brother. There's
Should've
always
traded
another day.
opening if you struggle. I want to see it get down to the sauce box at 660. But I'm not gonna let this trade turn red. I'm up $1,200 on Power Hour so far.
I'm up
$1,200.
$18,000 on Power Hour, but
There you go. See, that's all right. Come on, it's almost there. Get to the sauce box. Get to the sauce box. This is about to be a sauce
This is an
box.
absolute meltdown. This is a fucking absolute.
Let's go. You're almost there. Yes, there's the 60s. Touch the box. Touch the box. Give me 60. There's the box. Ah,
How are your shorts, Logan?
it.
I don't know, dude. I never called out short. I never said
It
short.
touched the
I never
box.
said-
It did
I
touch
never
the box.
said-
I'm letting it trail from 70. I'm taking this.
At 311, I never said that we were going to go short, and it dropped almost 100 points.
There
Never
it
said
is.
that. Why are you not calling this short? Literally gives no indicators. Stop. The
He
fucking
called-
troll
yeah, he
is
did.
crazy.
Nope.
The troll is crazy. The guy
He
never
held
called-
on to the short. He got into one trade. He held on to it. Guess what? In the meantime, I took 2 scalps on the pump up twice, and then I took the short as well. But he held on
It
to that
pulled
one
up-
trade for him.
It
Like,
pulled
hey,
up
it went up.
28 points from my
Called it.
entry, and we are down 85 points. But what is
I waited
Logan
for
know?
the yeah.
Top step?
I waited for the
Logan.
break of 29.
You guys are crazy.
Yeah. Beautiful short right
Literally
there.
called
Beautiful.
free mood.
I got trailed
Crazy.
out. Sauce box to sauce box, baby. 100-point trade right there.
Is that a
yeah.
mod trolling?
Yeah, this is
I don't even know anymore. I don't know what's real anymore. I don't know what's real life. I don't know if I'm being trolled or if these people are serious or not. Because like I 100% called out the short, but then I'm getting trolled saying I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't even know. I don't know what's
Dude,
real or what's not.
what a freaking Friday for me. Holy shit.
I did take a loss this morning though. I did take a loss this morning. The only trade I usually take, I did take an. So.
All right, this bottom here, we're at Lama's, almost Lama's other level. That's the bottom of this sauce box. Got really close. I want to see if it gets down to 37. That might be the reaction. This is kind of one of my like favorite setups. I got quantum level. I got sauce box. It's already ripping. But I would love to see it get a little closer. It's already ripping. If we break back out of sauce box, We might get a push back up, but if it needs to break out.
Where the fuck is my food? I've been waiting for my food forever. I ordered it way before Power Hour. This is pissing me off too. Fuck. I'm tired. I wanted my energy drink to. I gotta sit here and just keep getting trolled.
Are we going short? Creator, we were in the short a long time ago. Like almost Logan was in the short almost 100 points ago.
I'm out of the short now. I'm out of the short now.
Out of the
short
yeah.
now. I'm out of the short.
I got in the short after 2 40-point longs. Then it broke 29. Got in the short afterwards. I caught like 50 or 60 of that.
I just don't. This happens every Power Hour now, and so I'm starting to think.
Yeah.
There's something in the tone in my voice.
If
people think that
here you go.
Logan is angry.
If you did not size heavy, even if you only follow Logan, everyone should be so fucking green right now. If you blew an account, it's because you sized too fucking heavy.
Nah, dude, I'm a fake trader, dude. I'm a furu, dude. I'm a scammer.
Like everybody should be so fucking green right now.
I'm a scammer, dude. I'm a fake trader. All of my payouts are photoshopped. I can't even make jokes anymore.
This Isaiah guy is definitely the troll of the trolls. He's the king of the troll right now.
House accounts?
Are you supposed to?
I don't have. I wish I had house accounts. I wish I had all these things that you guys are accusing me of. I would have much.
We don't get free accounts.
That would be great because then I wouldn't have to fucking focus on trading as a large source of my income.
Yep. I get no free accounts. Oh god, it tapped it on the money. It tapped it on the money and I got in late. I don't know how this is gonna go, but
let me ask you this.
Bottom. Let's see if we can break out a sauce box here. If we can break out a sauce box 762, oh snap. Let's see if we can get a runner going here. That's what I was waiting for. The little tap, bottom sauce box, Lama's fib. I did not get good entry. I already got out on a few.
Athena, you said Isaiah is 10 head. Is Isaiah 10 head?
Oh, rip. Come on. Yes. No. Oh man, if this breaks underneath 40, I'm out of this. Just gonna take my little green on it. Don't break under 40.
He's push gang too. There's no shot. He has multiple 10 head. You're that bored? You've made multiple YouTube accounts, dude?
Damn, 10 head. All right.
No, I've had them. What do you mean? You've been that bored where your whole strategy and plan for Power Hour. I'm bored. I'm going to make 10 YouTube accounts to try and rage bait Logan. Honestly, I'm not even mad. I'm actually impressed that you just went and you built this many YouTube accounts to troll me with.
All right, honestly, this is looking weak. It's looking weak. I'm going to let these runners get out at 40. I'll still be slightly green on this trade. Not that much green, but I'll be slightly green.
Oh, that's why. Dude, because you're trying to win free accounts. Dude, I respect the hustle.
What a tap of 40.
Not even mad, dude. I'm not
43.75. There's a level. All right, I'm out of that. I'm out of that for now. It's not looking bad if it can pop itself back up over 43, but for now, not ready. It might not be ready. This might hit that 630 level right below it. This broke here.
This guy made multiple YouTube accounts to one troll me with. So it sounds like a bunch of people are hating on me, which is great, honestly, for the Power Hour. And then two, so that he could have a higher probability of winning an account when we call out YouTube. Honestly, impressive work.
That's quite the scheme.
This is 100-point short, though, by the way. I did 10 head. I did call out 100 points, though. Just saying. And Hobby called out fucking the shit points also.
Yeah. Collectively, well over 300, I think, right now. Collectively. Easy.
Honestly, 10 head, you had me in the first half. I should just fucking ban you, though. I should just ban you across everything, but I'm just going to let it be.
Again. That was a quick 10 points again. That was all it gave me? That's all it gave me.
Wait, is 10 head? Are you not Kathy, are you? You can't be Kathy. Kathy talks a little differently.
Yeah, Kathy talks differently.
Yeah, right, that's definitely not Kathy. Okay.
I'm out. quick 10-pointer. Now let's see if this can hold though. I mean, it's still not looking. If this next minute candle 5 minutes needs to hold, never mind. I want to wait 2 minutes. I'm going to wait 2 minutes to see if this 630 area will hold with this 5 minute candle that has 1 minute left. Has 1 minute left.
Who is 10head? 10head is somebody in our Discord who has made you to rage bait me.
Oh, no way. Oh, I didn't get the chance to enter more, but okay, fine. I'll take it for now. Again, another 10 points for now. I don't care what that is. I'm going to get out one. I'm just going to hold on to one now. Just because this is looking like we could get stuck in the range. We got MOC in 15 minutes.
Yeah. Look at all these accounts. See, the problem is 10head is if I just look at the account, I can see when they were all made. And so it's all within like a week. So that's why you cooked yourself, dude.
Holy shit. Holy shit. All right. I'm up almost 20 points on that 630 bounce. Another 20 pointer right there. But we suck. We suck at trading.
Yeah.
Dude, this is a historical show. I hope you guys know that. Like, I want to rewatch this episode and see how many points I actually called out. Because this is well over. I almost want to say like 200 something. I don't know how much. All right, there it is. Trailed me out. The 5 minute candle did close above though. So I want to see what it does again here. The 1 minute next areas would be down at 620 and then 600. 620 is coming in.
The guy who asked for $250, I'm not doing. I'm not going to give him $250. No, I don't give anybody money. I'll give you opportunities to make money, but I won't give you anybody money.
620. Then after that, 608. I got a candle at 614 still. This 5 minutes still needs to close under 630 though. So this 5 minutes still has 4 minutes left. This is almost the same setup as before. From that 620, from that 729 area, where we waited for that 2 minute candle to close. Look at that. I got
Logan's
micro at that 620.
Logan's cortisol levels are having a scuffle. Yeah. I'm fucking crashing. Yeah. Oh, yo, Javi. I mean, how much time we have left?
Yeah.
Oh my god, there's still so much time left.
Well, yeah.
We popped through the 609. We're dumping.
Yes. Yep.
We've been
I
dumping.
have that area as well.
Another 100 points drop.
After that,
I'm out. I'm not trading anymore, though, guys. I'm done. I made a bag.
580s. Dude, I'm happy too. 680s would be the next air of 680. 580s if it does break that bottom side.
All right, you guys want me to connect my accounts? You guys want me to connect my fucking accounts?
Close underneath.
I realize I'm on replay mode. I'm retarded. Let's do this.
It's gonna make a new lower low here.
All right, let's do this.
It's going for it. Ooh, it's spiking up a little bit there. This 5 minute. I'm waiting on the 5 minute. I'm waiting on the 5 minute. This could absolutely start pushing down, like it's doing right now. Look at that. There's 608 right now, but this needs to close. There it goes. Look at that. Quick little bounce. Of course.
I don't even know how to connect my Trade-Ovate to this.
Of course. You know, I took a little bit of that. That was too clean. That's the bottom right there.
It's not even cold. It's not even the one I. This is gonna add to my fucking rage bait. They brought me the wrong energy drink, and it's not even cold.
Feel better? Mine's melted and not cold.
Yeah, but I wanted you at least to get some.
Oh wow, what a bounce off of that freaking wow. Okay, I'll take that. Another 40 points right there. Look at that. Clean. That 5 minute candle. That's why I wait on the 5 minute candle to close. In the meantime, I see an area. I'm gonna test it even with one micro. I'm up $1,400 trading a handful of micros at a time. This is insane. Freaking insane. I called out 2 60-point trades at the beginning of, well, one before YouTube started, one right into YouTube, and then 2 40-point bounces off of 29. Then Logan was in the short. Then I got in the short as well. Yeah. I think I'm done, Logan. I'm tired. 1,400 on this account, just a handful of micros. I did this yesterday. I recorded every single one of my trades live while I was out with my wife. Made the
No,
same amount in 1 hour.
I gotta show
my handful
entries
of
and everything.
micros.
So I'm trying to figure out how to log into my account so I can show entries and everything so everybody can be happy. So let me do this. And then I'm just gonna start getting into trades.
That bottom area again. What's this 5-minute candle? Has about 50 seconds left. Needs to close underneath that 630. Look at that pull up into 630. Look at that last second. It always does this. It always does this. But if it could easily still pull back down, but it always does this last second test of that 630 area. It always does this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. 20 points off the bat off that 630 break. Oh my God. Oh my God. Open your ears, y'all. This is close to a 400 point day now. Holy fucking shit, dude. This is a 30-point trade right now. I just loaded up another account because I was done with the $1,400 one. Look at that. Look at that. Quantum Gang, I hope you are seeing what I'm seeing here. So easy. So freaking easy. Got trailed out there on that pullback. Freaking amazing. 30-point push up. Retested on the 1 minute, even retested 30 on the dot. Look at this. It broke through, retested it, pushed right back up. There goes. Again. Again. Anybody that caught that 630 retest, that would have been a 50-point. Oh my God. Holy crap. There goes. There goes. There goes, guys. Anybody caught that? Anybody else caught that? 60 plus points. Today, surgical precision today. Like today is one for the books. Holy fucking shit. I'm sorry, YouTube, but I cannot stop cursing right now out of excitement. Holy crap. Surgical. Haven't lost a single trade yet, except for that one that I got trailed out on my runners and took a little bit, gave a little bit of the green back. Surgical. Okay, I'm going to dress up as a doctor in the next show.
Demo account fake.
Scalpel. Another 150 on 1 micro. Let's go, Nav Trader. Let's fucking go. Okay, let's go. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I cannot believe the day today so far. This power hour is one for the books. Holy crap. Oh. Let's go. All right, I think I'm done. I don't even care about MOC anymore. 8 minutes, I don't care. I'm going to just gamble MOC. Ugh. 1,700 with just a handful of micros.
Logan's drinking on the job. First of all, if I wanted to get drunk right now, I absolutely would. There's nothing saying that I can't get absolutely plastered right now. But I don't really drink. Drinking is not really
40
my thing.
Kenny, I would advise caution for that last $100. You might blow your account because of the last 100. I would enjoy the weekend, right? Forget that you need $100 on the account. Forget it, right? Monday you come in, you trade it like normal, do your thing, and pass that thing without even thinking about how much you need. Because you will try to force $100 off one trade and probably get toasted. I'll guarantee that's what happens to a lot of people. There's a potential 3Z here on the 2 minute setting up. Potential.
Okay. These great trades. Thanks, Logan, for a call out dumper. You're welcome. You're welcome. Logan, have you quit or you've never drank? No, I mean, I'm a Marine. I'm a Marine, Tashar. I used to swim in alcohol. well, especially when I was active duty.
Which is the candle? That blue candle?
No, I
That wasn't even
the
here.
last time that I had like any large amount of
Dang,
alcohol
that thing's way
was
back
when we
there.
had a big trip to Miami with the company, and I got bombed. Since then, I haven't really drank, and that was 5 months ago. So I don't really like drinking, and now I'm always doing some type of like security thing, so like max or whatever. And I just my trading's been too on point. I don't want to mess with my psychology. I don't want to have a hangover, do anything that's going to mess with my mental. So I just don't. It's not really worth it for me to drink. I'm also really big on my fitness and health, so it doesn't make sense to drink.
There's a little bit of a potential 3Z setup here.
I will
Not
post
sure
proof
if
of
he is-
payout soon.
yeah, try to do
$30,000
that.
worth of payouts this month minimum. Prime time. I already know you will, brother.
Oh, prime time. Chat. Come on,
Yeah,
man.
yeah, you've been killing
Prime
it.
time.
I know you're doing good, man.
You don't got to prove shit, prime
Out of
time.
respect for you,
know
Logan,
you're
you are
doing-
more
we
in
know- we
control
know
than
what you're
most
doing.
people on Earth. Unfortunately, yes, Tashar. Why does Logan act like a fucking Karen? Love him, but holy shit, that attitude is crazy.
He hasn't changed one bit. He's the same guy he's always been.
Whatever you say, dude. You got it, brother.
What the
Guy
hell,
calls me a Karen, talks shit, and then says he loves
Yeah.
me. Okay,
Yeah.
you take your bipolar meds, my guy.
I'm as confused as you, bro.
And then 11 twice goes, he's white, bro. Relax. What does my race have to do with it?
What the that 11, dude.
Past 3 Apex accounts today, trading only CSO trades. Don't have money for the activation fees. What do I do?
Go sell ass? I don't know. Wait, am I gonna get in trouble for that?
Oh, wait. Apex has a new rule, right? What's the rule on how until you can activate your accounts?
48 hours,
7
or
days?
is it 7 days now? Oh, it's 7 days. There you go. Go
Spoon,
get
are
a
you gonna have the
pimpin',
money in
bro.
7 days? Spoon, will you have the
Go
money in
start
7
pimping.
days?
Gigolo. Do what you gotta do, bro. Or you could do it what everyone else is saying, lift. Might take a little longer to make some good money, but hey. Go put that short skirt on.
He's in South Korea.
Some net stockings.
Got to figure it out.
You know?
Spoon,
Do your thing.
if you genuinely need the money, as a student of mine, somebody who I've talked to personally, genuinely let me know and I'll activate your accounts.
Oh, there you
As
go.
long as you
Look at that.
make a deal with me that you're going to follow the rules that I've taught you. If you follow the rules that I have taught you, Spoon, and you stick to the rules, I'll pay for your activation fees, no problem. You're a student of mine. You've passed your account, so 1, I'm proud of you. 2, stick to the rules, follow the process, and I think you can definitely get some Apex payouts. So do me a favor, Spoon. You know what? Just open up a support ticket, brother. Open up a support ticket, and I'll get you taken care of. I'll pay for your activation fees, man. I think you're going to do great. I think you're going to get some payouts. All I ask is that you follow the rules and keep me updated. Cool.
Dude, we are so far between levels right now. I'm going to turn for MOC. I have no levels for MOC until 811 and 561. Those are the levels. I do have that 5-minute level at 630, but there is so much space. So much space for MOC right now.
I'll show you guys this.
Direction.
For those of you that have asked if I got my payout today, let me show you guys something real quick. So if we look here, right? Can you see it on? No, let me do this. I'm going to pull it up on both YouTube and I'll pull it up on Discord. So if you guys look here, right? I'm currently up. I don't know if it's on YouTube or not, if it's pulled up on YouTube, but I'm currently up $178,000 on the, right? I'm up $178,000. Unfortunately, it's very frustrating today. I didn't follow one of the rules that I had and I took a loss. It should technically be an 85% win rate, but we are up $86,000 on the week, which is great, right? This loss shouldn't have taken this loss, but we're up $86,000 on the week, so I'm happy about that. Now, if we look at the actual numbers overall, right, half of my accounts I can get a payout, some of them I cannot, right? Because this day I'm up 177,000, but if you do the math, I'm slightly above consistency on day 8. Now, half the accounts are good, half of them are not. So if we look here at the numbers, I took a small loss today. Some of the accounts I can get a payout from, some of them I can. So I could theoretically, on the math that I did, I could take about $28,000 payout today. But because what I've been doing is testing my strategy and trying to get the consistent numbers, I'm not going to take a withdrawal. I want to take all 20 accounts combined together, take that $55,000 payout and put it into the bank. So instead, I'm just going to wait. We're going to hold on to these profits and chill. And yeah, that's all. So can I get a payout right now? Yes, but I'm not going to. And I just showed the accounts and the numbers for anybody that thinks I'm full of shit, just in case.
All right, 20 seconds for MOC. I have 0 call because we are not around any levels. This could easily pop up a bunch of points. We're at the bottom of the orb. It could pop up freaking to test anything at this point. I don't have any clear read, so it's a gamble.
I feel like that is easy to
Either
fake.
direction.
I give up.
There goes
I give up.
a little bit of push up.
Guy says it's easy to fake. I can't win anymore.
Yeah, everything's easy to fake.
I could fucking have $1 million in cash in front of me right now. That looks counterfeit, dude. I could win the lottery. It'd be broadcast all over the news. Fake. You can't do it. You can't win.
Yeah, that was a weak. I did enter the short there, but it already took me out on the majority of my contracts. That was it. That's all it gave me for now. That's good with that. I'm good with that.
Logan is a known faker. The hat on his head, not really there. Yeah. Logan's actually bald. It's not real. You're poor, bro. Stop lying.
Can you keep going?
I mean, relative to other people, yeah, there's definitely people who are much wealthier than I am.
There we go. And that was nice. I forgot I had these FFFs on wealth charts, bro. I just took that short on this wealth charts right here.
My indicator should be on wealth charts. I just haven't checked, to be honest. Also, like, if I was trying to do some type of like flex and fake stuff, wouldn't I just show like 100% win rate and like that, like so much more money? Like, why would I show losses? Why would I admit that I took a trade today? Wouldn't I just be like super narcissistic and say I'm the best? I don't fuck up ever. Like, wouldn't that make more sense? I don't know.
Everything's fake, guys. Everything is fake, right? We live in a simulated world. We're all NPCs, right? None of us exist until you see us, right? The things behind you don't exist until you turn around and you visually look at it. Okay? Everything is fake.
It makes it real, like I hate people, but I like people attitude. Right. You need a Lambo as a desk. They're gonna say it's cardboard. It's not real.
Right. That girl that was behind Logan does not exist because he did not turn around. We saw her. He didn't. She doesn't exist. Checks out, right? Oh man, this is good. All right, let's see what it does. We got a level here at 654 that's trying to lock in. But if it holds above 674, it's a good shot. It's going to test some of this.
I will say this, Javi. 2 months ago, I would have said so many I would have said so much. I definitely think I've toned down a lot. Like, think about how I was 2 months ago. I would have called them every derogatory term I could think of.
Yes. You've chilled a lot. Absolutely. You would have blown up on them if it was the beginning. We went hard on some of these fuckers in the beginning.
Yeah, some of them. I would watch old videos and I was like, thank God I lowered the dose. Clearly,
Yeah.
Literally, no. I just said I gotta chill the fuck out. It's just not working. Logan CSO of Top Step TV. I like it. Good name. At least I'm on a show. Tommy Tom.
Yeah. Yeah, Tommy Tom.
We're all in a matrix inside of a matrix making fake money in the matrix. Honestly, Mario, I believe that.
Right.
Like trading's not real.
That's exactly.
I don't think trading's real. Javi's wife said you saw. Yeah, I don't think trading's real.
Wait, what?
Not his trading anyway. Fake numbers. Correct.
Yeah, this is just stuck now. It's just bouncing back and forth. We got that 73, 75 level. If it manages to stay underneath that, but it's just messing around right now. Not doing anything.
Your trading numbers are fake. I don't really know how people can fake trading numbers. You want to know a number that's not fake, but you might think I've blown like hundreds of evals.
Yeah.
Are you gonna tell me that that's fake too? Or are you gonna be like, no, that one's real? That one, Logan, that one's real.
Yeah. They're gonna
That he's telling the truth on. Everything else, fake. You being honest about blown accounts, real.
Still shorting. Oh my god. Oh, am I gonna pass this account? No, I'm not. I'm not gonna pass. I'm not playing heavy.
Futuristic Ticks, you've only blown 120 accounts. How I've been trading about a year. It's not bad at all, dude. I think I blew 120 accounts in the first 2 weeks of me starting my trading career.
I think I blew like 20 the first month, somewhere around there. When I first started doing this.
I don't know if you guys know this. I've been on leaderboards too, but I also popped those accounts that were on the leaderboards. But I've been on the leaderboards.
Well,
I just happened to pop them afterwards.
Those are cheap, M2. M2 says he's blown 1,200 Apex accounts. But do you at least buy them when they're on sale? Like $20, $30? All right, not $100 each. Yeah.
And this guy says he's profitable. Well, unprofitable trader. What is your definition of a profitable trader? Essentially making more in trading than you've spent, right? I mean, by definition, that's probably what it means. Not you. Okay, let's have an intellectual conversation here. What would you say by definition is somebody that's a profitable trader?
It's not moving.
Gay leaderboard don't count stops. Okay. I don't think I'm going to get any legitimate answers here. Okay. Well, we tried to have a serious conversation, but whatever. What's your most memorable blown eval situation or decline payout? I've actually never gotten declined to pay. I've never been declined to payout, but my most memorable blown eval, two of my Alpha Futures accounts were up $50,000 in profits. I had pretty much locked in based off of how I'd been trading $15,000, $30,000 for multiple weeks in payouts. That would be one of them, and I basically went on tilt. What?
What are you saying, Javi? You and I both got denied on when FFF had the what do you call it? The scaling rule. Remember?
Yeah, but
we
it was my fault. I got denied.
Yeah,
but it was my fault. Yeah. And they made it right.
Like, yeah.
Oh,
that's right. You got the payout. I forgot, bro. I forgot that they give it. Yeah, because they miscommunicated. I wish someone miscommunicated with me.
Yeah. Another really big blown one was when I was on the leaderboard on the wealth charts. Made $275,000 in a day, and I was number one on Apex and the wealth charts. And then I popped them all the next day. I was triple anybody on the leaderboard. Lucid, fuck, I've popped a lot of accounts. Lucid, I was up $40,000 in one day. Hit a big ass payout, #1 on the leaderboard for the week. Popped it. Fucking. So what I did for a while, I haven't done this in a while, but what I was doing is, so I guess Alpha, Apex, Lucid, I would make a shit ton of money, request a payout, and then get on the leaderboard and then pop it. And I was doing that a lot last year. Last year, I was doing that a lot. This year, I've been good. All right, Hobby, I'm done trading. Are you done trading?
Me too. Yeah, I'm
All right,
done.
let's give away some shit.
It's not moving. It's just in this range. Even the 55 candle didn't do shit. All right, let's give away stuff. What a power hour.
Can't be declined. Okay, well, now you're not fun. Now you're just trying to. So if that's 10 head or whoever unprofitable trader is, if you're trying to troll, you have to be consistent and you have to like show proof and evidence that like you actually are trying to troll or talk shit, because now you're just saying stuff that like doesn't make sense and it doesn't go with the flow anymore. Like if you're on a troll me, you have to come off like you're serious, but now you're not being serious. You know what I mean? That's how you troll me. If anybody wants to troll me, just come off like you're actually serious and you genuinely that like I'm a shitty fucking trader. Then I'll be like, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hobby, what's the number?
199.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. V, I haven't seen you in a while. V92. I know Logan is always on tilt. I'm like the Hulk, right? The Hulk is always angry. Logan, always on tilt. Has your food arrived? No, I don't have any food. I just haven't. I'm going to eat after this. V, come on up. Sorry, bro. I'm at work. No camera on, no PC. All right, man. Well, thank you for the honesty. Let's do another one, Hobby.
All right, let's do another one. 3. Number 3.
Sean Bear Pig.
Sean Bear Pig.
Are you half Sean, half bear, half pig?
Yep.
I made a joke about Logan being emotional once, and he took it seriously and told me I wasn't profitable. Saddest stroke sesh I've ever had.
That's good.
That was very funny. Come on, guys. You guys don't want to win free stuff?
No one wants to win free shit.
All right. The word for YouTube is going to be troll. Troll.
Troll.
Sean Bear Pig, let me try to invite you up again. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Hello.
2.
Yo,
1.
he made it.
Enrique Santos, 8907 on YouTube. Enrique Santos, 8907. Congratulations. You just won access to any indicator free for an entire week. And as you know, it'll also give you access to wealth charts. Sean Bear Pig, how you doing, man?
Pretty good. How are you?
Good, man. How's your trading going?
Shitty.
Talk to me. What's going on? Why is your trading shitty?
Usually it's I can get a good consistency, but then I overtrade. So I make a lot and then I'm like, oh, I made that much that day, and then I chase trying to make that again. And then I get frustrated and I revenge trade in response to that.
So you'll hit the consistency or you won't hit the consistency, and then you'll revenge trade trying to make up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because I can consistently pull about $1,000 roughly, but then let's say I pull 1,000 or I pull 990, then I'm like, oh, I need to get that 1,000 goal, and then I miss that trade. Well, then I revenge trade at that point.
So let me ask you this: let's say they were funded accounts, right? And they were same day payouts, and you made $1,000, right? Or you hit $500. Would you still try and trade again, even though you know that you could put it right into your bank account?
If it was withdrawable, no. And that's the thing I'm trying to get past is the gamification of it.
Exactly. So that's the process that you need to think. You need to try and treat your evals, your funded the same way, right? The thought process is this: one of two things. One, treat your evals and fundeds the exact same way across the board, because you're going to build the muscle memory, you're going to build the discipline, you're going to build the good habits, right? Because when you're in a funded phase, just because you take a loss or you only make a certain amount of money, that's real money. Like, it's not in your bank account yet, but that's real money that you're eventually going to withdraw. So don't get greedy. If I make $500, I'm going to be happy if I make $500, because that's $500 I didn't have before that took me 2 minutes of my time. That's going to potentially be in my bank account. So why am I trying to chase and chase and chase? I'm up right now, a shit ton of money on my accounts. I took a loss. I didn't revenge trade. I didn't overtrade. I said, that sucks. That's annoying. I'm calling it, right? That one trade alone cost me from getting the 55K payout today. I could have gone revenged and try and caught anything else for the show or the morning show or anything Max and Lama called out. But I know for me, then what I'm doing is I'm revenge trading, and I might not be looking on the A+ setups, and I might do something that I don't want to do, like oversize or overtrade, right? So the one thing that you have to start to do in practice is treat your evals and funders the same way, and respect the money a little bit more. Understand that how much you made is still a reasonable amount, and that's money that you didn't have yesterday. $500-600, that's a lot of money to make in a single day. Most people don't ever make that, right? Especially in 10 minutes, 5 minutes. So that's something you need to try and practice on, is really respect money. Cool?
Yeah, I feel that.
All right, brother. Well, here's what we're going to do for you. We're going to give you access to any indicator free for now. So open up a support ticket, and we're looking forward to hearing from you, all right?
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Yep. Hobby, YouTube. Let's do another random person.
All right. Did you pick the troll already?
Tommy Tom, Logan, in all seriousness, I appreciate you, brother, messing me. You got it, dude.
Did you pick the troll on YouTube yet or not?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Enrique,
all
but
right.
we just did Discord, so I was going to go back to YouTube again.
Okay, YouTube.
So
YouTube. Let's do just say aliens. Just say
Aliens.
Aliens. I'll pick.
You know what? If anybody who's won an account won a indicator today, it's Friday. You're getting a month. You're getting a month. So congrats to the two so far. Javi, did you pick somebody?
Not yet. Yeah. I'm counting to 10 right now. Finished. I got it. All right. Benjamin Marius. Whoever I looked at first. I was counting to 10, and then I was going to turn around and whoever I saw first. Benjamin Marius. Congrats. Open up a support ticket in the MOT Discord. All right. All right. We're doing one more for the Discord. Or we're calling it a day.
Let's do one more on Discord because we're not giving away an account. So you called out, you got somebody. Benjamin Marius, perfect. All right.
Yeah,
so now we're going to do one more person on the Discord. Give me a number through 352.
113. 113.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3. Javier Martinez. I think. Is that?
Ooh. That's almost my name now. My mom's maiden name. All right. Luna Moon. I might do one Sunday. Tomorrow I'm jam-packed busy with the fam. So tomorrow's family.
Enrique Santos. Yes, you get a free
on Sunday.
Enrique Santos. Yes, you're actually going to get an entire month free of an any indicator.
Is this for an indicator?
Yes, Javier.
Oh, you can pass it on to someone else. I already have the P2P indicator.
You want to try any other one?
You can try any other.
No, I'm all right. I want to try and learn the P2P indicator a little bit before I look into anything else.
It's good discipline, brother. Good idea. All right, man. Well, we
Thank
appreciate
you,
it,
guys.
Yep.
No problem.
Smart man. That's how it should be. All right, let's do another one, Javi.
All right, let's do it. All right, how many we got in here? All right, next number will be 180. 180.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Owen S. Owen cannot. Owen, do you want to win a free indicator?
Yeah, he's just gonna gift himself something he
The guy who builds the indicators just won a free indicator. Let's do another one, Javi.
All right, let's do another one. All right. 89. 89.
7, 8. Dante Joseph.
Studios. How, bro? Minus 6,100.
Kid pressed hotkey on the laptop while he was up. That's why I believe in.
Can y'all hear me?
Yeah. What's up, Dante? How you doing, man?
Doing good, doing good. It was funny. As soon as you picked that number, I said, "Hey, that's me," just as a joke, and so
nice, man. Well, how's your trading going, dude?
It's going all right, man. Got full tilt a few times. I took a couple payouts, but that's it. Just a couple payouts. I've been trading for about a year. Friend, he's been trading for about 5 years. I just over trading, man. Just over trading.
Well, I mean, hey, man, you've already gotten payouts in a year of trading. That's, that already puts you ahead of the curve compared to most. It takes a lot of people much longer to get payouts usually. So you're doing well, and you're already aware of the issues, the over trading, right? You got to find out a strategy that works for you that kind of limits that. If you're a quantum trader, perfect. If you're somebody who feels like you want to keep trading, learn the quantum, right? Then you give that capability, you can keep trading. If you're somebody who's trying to do less trades or whatever, you look into other people's strategies. It's kind of something that helps with your psychology and your discipline also. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I feel like I get trade exhaustion and I keep going. You yesterday after your trade in the evening, you were like, that was one trade, but I got trade exhaustion. I'm like, bro, even if it's a win or lose, I just need to freaking like get out of there,
Yeah, my trade right now, my average trade is about a minute, and then I'm done for the day. Like I have 1 minute of trading in a day, and I'm happy. So like yesterday, today, when I'm in a trade and it's not green yet, especially, and I'm sitting in it for like 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes, I'm like, dude, like I'll get burnt out.
That's
and then
crazy.
I just don't even want to trade anymore. Yeah.
That's crazy.
I am.
Yeah.
Well, hey man, we want to see you be successful. I think any of our indicators do really well in helping limit over trading. So open up a support ticket. You're going to get access to any indicator free for an entire month.
Heck yeah. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate the help too. Love when you guys hop on. Energy was crazy today. Got 500. So appreciate that. I'll go ahead and create that ticket. Thanks,
Absolutely,
y'all.
man. Great to hear from you. And we'll talk soon.
Appreciate it.
All right. Good show, Javi. Lots of fun. We called out a shit ton of points. I got trolled heavily by everybody. And then ended up just being the same people that we always see. You guys got me. Good job. Now I know for next week, I'm just not answering any of you idiots. Nice try, though. Solid day, solid power hour. I'm up 18K. I'm happy. I'm done. I'm logging out. I'm ready to enjoy my weekend. Javi, what do you got?
Yeah, dang. Today was incredible, guys. I had a blast. Insane amount of moves. But guys, enjoy your weekend. Be safe. Take a break off the charts. Reset. Enjoy time with your friends and family. We'll see you guys next week. Make sure you guys tip the staff, right? Get a course, book a session if you guys want. Coach Izzy, there's so many of us here. Guys, go follow our socials, X, TikTok, Instagram. Go check out our YouTube. Logan has some P2P videos, P2P, PHP videos on his. Anything quantum, you'll see a ton of quantum videos on my channel. You can pick any single one. They're all the exact same information. I just repeat it over and over and over again with current market data. But anyway, y'all enjoy your weekend. I'm wiped. I want to go spend some time with the fam and just chill. So see you next week. Peace out.
Later, everybody.
Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands. That's dinero. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands. That's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, love, I be in the back road. Then it flipped on his head, it's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on a gurney. From the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, burden in my trip, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting to trip. Took a little chip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little chip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little chip, running shit, turned into a chip. We in and out quick. At my head though, heat in my head though. Do a quick 5-10, turning up on both hands, that's dinero. At my head though, heat in my head though. Do a quick 5-10, turning up on both hands, that's dinero. Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Poppy need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white kind, the Sauvignon Blanc. New father, I'm doing my job. Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt. But you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Quantum shift, shift, running doing shift, shift. Then I did it again. Quantum shift, shift, running doing shift, shift. We in and out quick. At my head door.